Hello Nina, I'm Augustine Musi from Flyerbee. My key takeaway for today was the opportunity to reflect on who I'm pitching to and the value in investing time into the research to be able to know your audience.
Hello Nina, I'm Antonia, co-founder of Jamie and I. It helped me a lot refining our story about our startup, and I've gotten a ton of valuable feedback and insights about the startup. And I'm just very thankful to have HelloNina as a great community for us startups, getting together and helping each other.
Hallo Nina, ik ben David, co-founder van Frontpage Ping. Ik heb al zeer veel waardevolle feedbacks bekommen, wie ik zou auftreten, wie ich auch mein Business schnell und einfach einer Zielgruppe vorstellen kann.
Hello Nina, my name is Laura, I'm from Circle. I'm a co-founder of Circle. I gained very valuable insight into pitching. Got super good feedback on how to improve and what to do better, and I'm already looking forward to make the progress and actually be able to pitch.
Hello Nina, I'm the founder of Fluster. So what I take with me today is first that I should speak louder on video, and then secondly a lot of good ideas to improve my pitch, especially to display maybe less data or maybe more in a beautiful way what I have in mind.
Hello Nina, I'm Nina too. I work for Sinozone. I met a lot of new people and we got really good feedback for our pitches.